We live in a society where our thoughts are constantly bombarding our daily lives. While some thoughts are positive and help keep us focused on our day-to-day routines, there are some thoughts that hinder us, get in our way, stop us from achieving our goals. The other night, I woke up from a tumultuous dream. I don't remember the dream. I just remember the way my body felt when I woke up. So I knew that it was chaotic. But the thing that came to mind at that moment was these words that just popped up in my head. I didn't have really time to think, so I knew this was coming from my subconscious. The words were, "You are seeking liberation." And really, that is the ultimate goal. We seek liberation from the thoughts that hinder our development, our growth, our ultimate freedom. So join me in this meditation to help balance our chakras so that we can achieve this liberation. I ask my Reiki guides, spirits and angels, and the divine to assist me in the healing of the collective. Please remove my ego and make me an empty conduit for the energy to flow. Relax your body and mind and connect to your breath. Slowly breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. Lay down on your back and release any tension you may be holding on to, and let your feet fall to opposite sides. Relax your legs, relax your thighs, let your back sink into your mat, and place your palms down, but have your fingers touching. Picture yourself wrapped in the warmth of a red cozy blanket surrounded by the sounds of nature, the smell of pine wood and evergreen. Move your hips from side to side as you root down into the earth and connect to your root chakra. Let yourself feel safe as you are carried and held by the earth. Continue connecting to your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. Allow any thoughts or feelings that come to the surface not to be judged. Is there anything that is blocking you from feeling safe? Are your thoughts getting in the way of you feeling safe in your own body? Don't judge those thoughts or feelings, just notice them. Try if you can, if these thoughts or feelings aren't serving you, to breathe them out. Try to release them as you continue to connect to your breath. Know that feelings and thoughts are temporary, and you can control what you tell yourself about them. You can control your thoughts. Slowly moving from the coziness of the red blanket, picture yourself swimming in warm pools wrapped in an orange glowing light, your sacral chakra. Floating in this warm bath, feel your body secured by the warmth. Let your hands wrap around your lower belly. Allow yourself to let your emotions wash over you. Allow them to bathe you. Do not judge them, just feel them. With each emotion that surfaces, say, "I accept you," emotion, as you connect to your breath. Know that these feelings are temporary, and it is not necessary to make them mean something. Be open to what your body wants you to learn. Allow your mind to connect to your body. Continue breathing as you imagine the rays of sun warm your body. As you leave the water, picture yourself on a beach with the warm sand beneath your feet. You see a blanket in the distance. As you walk towards the blanket, you feel the warmth of the sun enveloping your body. The sun's glow on your body creates warmth all around you, and you feel the energy from the sun as you continue connecting to your breath. As you lay down onto the blanket, feeling that you are protected by the earth, gently place your hands on your belly and feel the gentle up and down movement as you continue to breathe. Invite the feeling of gratitude and satisfaction. All that you need is here in this moment. Slowly move your hands over your chest. You still feel the connection to your breath. As a pink light from the sun's glow wraps your body, you feel all the tension leaving your shoulders and your arms, and anywhere you feel any tension. With each inhale, tell yourself, "I love you. I accept you as you are." With each exhale, release thoughts and feelings that aren't serving you. Picture the blue crystal waters ahead of you. Feel the ocean breeze caress your skin and continue connecting to your breath using an open mouth exhale to help balance your throat chakra. Listen to any sounds you may hear close by. Listen to any sounds you may hear in the distance. Allow the hum of the sounds to carry you. Allow yourself to let go and release. Knowing that you are protected. Knowing that the universe is guiding you towards your purpose. Continue breathing with the open mouth exhale. Allow yourself to focus and dream big. If you could, what is one thing you would do if you knew you couldn't fail? Breathe into this. Visualize yourself living out your dream, whatever your dream may be. And give yourself a big hug. Then bring your hands gently over your face and pretend to wash your face. Continue to breathe into your dream, knowing that the universe is guiding you towards your life's purpose, knowing that what is meant for you will always find you. Continue connecting to your breath. Allow this energy of balancing your chakras to carry you on through your day. With love and light, this is Heba from Yoga with Heba. I hope you have a blessed day.